Okay, we are going to get started in session 5 by diving deep into the topic of social structure and social interaction. Social structure is sort of how our society is built. All the things that impact us in society has to do with our social structure. For example, culture is something that we've already discussed this semester, and culture helps build the structure of our society. A person's social class and social status are affected by structure and impacts their social interaction. The roles that they play, the groups that they are a part of, they also impact social structure and a person's social interaction. Also, social institutions such as religious groups, education, politics, those institutions impact our social interaction and impact how our society is structured. So for this session, you are going to read and complete the e-textbook quizzes for Chapter 4. Once you have completed the reading and the quizzes, you'll complete the Social Interaction and Performance Journal. That journal will begin with you watching a crash course video and then answering the questions. Remember, you are going to copy the items in between the dotted lines. Select select Start or Edit My Journal Entry. Paste into the entry box. And then your responses should be in complete sentence and paragraph form. And you're going to change your response, your entry, to a different color. So you will leave my format, the questions that have been established, in the black ink, and then you will change your entrance that you have typed to a different color. And then don't forget to hit the blue Save Changes button. That is what actually submits it for you. Once you have completed your journal entry, you will then complete the role strain and role conflict writing activity. This activity is very interesting to me, and I'll show you why. Remember, you're going to select the link, and then you'll be forced to make a copy. Once your copy has been created, you'll watch a video on role strain and role conflict. I mentioned that this is a very interesting assignment, and I say that because sometimes we don't really give enough thought to all the things that are going on in our lives, and we don't give enough credit to ourselves for all of the items we are responsible for. So this is an assignment that really brings that out of students, and it helps them realize, you know what, I do have a lot going on. Hopefully, through this assignment, you will realize that even though you have a lot of things going on and you're responsible for many things, there's still a way for you to juggle all of your time and make it work. You'll go through the writing activity, defining some terms in your own words. Please pay attention to the directions in your own words. That means I should not be able to find what you type floating around on the internet somewhere. Do not copy and paste from any website for this assignment or any other assignment in this class. All of the items that you input, your journal entries, your writing assignments, need to be in your own words. You'll then create a diagram, something very similar to the example that I have shown you that shows the different roles that you play in your life. And then you're going to do a little bit of some reflecting here on the types of roles that you play and the strain or the conflict that they create for you. And then the final thing for the writing assignment is a fun video to watch about animated television shows. So if you know anything about The Simpsons, you'll see some Simpson material here in this video. Students love watching that. When you are done with the writing assignment, make sure that you turn that in, and you'll be done with session 5. Please make sure that you email me if you have any questions or concerns. I'm always here to help you. Have a great week.